children, we should know how to interpret time speed graph. X-axis shows that time taken. Y-axis shows the speed of the object. At first question, at 10 minutes, what is the speed of the object? At 10 minutes, speed of the object is 15 meter per second. Second question read, at 15 minutes, what is the speed of the object? 15 minutes between here. 15 minutes, what is the speed of the object? Same 15 meter per second. We must understand when the curve is a straight line, that means there is no change of speed. That means there is no acceleration. Whenever there is an acceleration, then only speed changes, rate of change of velocity. Here, there is no change or no acceleration. Here, acceleration is zero. The straight line shows acceleration is zero, same speed. At a steady speed, the body is moving. Next question, third question. When does the retardation start? The retardation starts up to 30 seconds. The speed of the object is 25 meter per second. After 30 seconds, there is no acceleration. There is retardation. Retardation starts after 30 seconds. After 30 seconds only retardation starts. Is it a uniform motion or non-uniform? Of course, seeing the graph, we can say it is a non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means the graph shows like this, the uniform motion. Now graph shows straight line. If graph shows straight line means the object is moving in uniform motion. Here the object is not moving in a straight line. The curve is going like this. The curve is going like this. So it is called what? Non-uniform motion. Calculate the total distance traveled. You must remember, in a time speed graph, the area under the curve. We must find out. That shows what now? That shows this area under the curve. Shows the total distance traveled by the object. So first one is triangle. We know how to find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula, what formula? Half into base into height. First one A, region A, we have found the area 75 meter. Second one B, rectangle, length to breadth, already we found area. Third one C, the region is C. Find the area of there is trapezium. Trapezium formula, half into A plus B into H. H we can take 10. Height is, first one is this height. That means A means 15. B 25. Substitute and simplify, you get the area of the trapezium. Next one, C, area of the triangle. Already we have discussed half into base into height, 250 meter. Total distance traveled 675 meter. Likewise, we must know how to interpret graph. Good number of children always struggling to understand graphical interpretation. That would give you a lot of ideas. Even integration, differentiation, everywhere, calculus, we need to know. In physics also, we need to know graphical interpretation and representation. Please try to read and go through once again. And next video, I will give you questions without answer. You try yourself. All the best. Thank you.